Music brings art and communication to a pinnacle, and history shows that different parts of the world provide their own unique solution. Recently, the emphasis on an exclusive style has withered, and many of the music settings in Burlington, Vermont are a venue for those who march to the beat of a different drum.
Yo, I try to keep the stress take every day at a time. Make sure my family's in place and let the music go on. I got friends that take charge like a major outlet. I ride around the country chilling in my LA Express. On every street corner, the importance of having fun.
In the 3 years I've been here, I've seen like a lot of different artists in a lot of different venues in Burlington. Been to like Higher Ground, Signal Kitchen, Nectars, and I've seen anyone from DJs to bluegrass groups, and it's been a cool experience.
We were here, man, first time we came here, well, first couple of times, Higher Ground was at Winooski. Right up the freeway. Right. And we were here one Halloween. I ripped my shirt off. I was much fatter back then, so that was probably
he dressed as LL Cool J for Halloween, and he did the LL, ripped his shirt off, and all the girls loved it.
How crazy can I get my hair to look on camera? I took a seat.
Bands hailing locally, from as close as down the street, to internationally, as far as Denmark, give Burlington credibility as one of the most diverse and hidden musical meccas. Hess is More, a band based out of Copenhagen, is made up of members hailing from 4 different countries on 4 different continents.
Oh, there's a huge range. I think because Burlington is a pretty diverse population, you get a lot of different music, and you definitely get a lot of cross-cultural influence, international, because there is such a diverse population of people in the Burlington area.
The blend of music and talent in the Queen City is what sustains its attraction to those who need a foot in the door, but also those who've been around the block.